Hey guys, this is Kerry here from Power Palace Gym, and I'm just going to give you a little bit of a few pointers, some tips really, especially if you're a beginner trying to figure out what to do for triceps. I usually do my triceps on the same day I do chest and bicep, but last night I was pretty lazy, I was tired, and I only did the chest and the biceps, and I didn't do my triceps. So today I did a session just for triceps. I'm going to do my shoulders and my neck tomorrow. Maybe a little bit of back. But anyway, I want to share with you guys what I did for triceps and just give you a little idea here. Triceps is really important for your arm. I know my physique right now is not going to impress anybody, getting back into shape. The tricep is this part of the arm right here, okay? This little area right here. And if you have a very pronounced development of your tricep short heads, you'll see a little, almost like a horseshoe shape after you cut, if you reduce your body fat, which is very desirable if you're into bodybuilding or just wanting to show off. Now, functionally, triceps is probably the most important part of your arm because it's responsible for this motion, okay? This motion and these motions, which are all part of martial arts, combat, fighting, boxing, lots of other sports, baseball, okay? Golf, tennis, all types of sports like that. So you really want to develop your tricep. Biceps is a very important muscle too, but it's not as strong as your triceps are. And that's because the triceps are 3 muscles, biceps 2 muscles, right? So anyway, here is the little, the session that I do for my triceps. And you can do all lots of other stuff for your triceps. You don't just have to do these things. There's just a couple recommendations of a routine that I really enjoy. Okay guys, that was my tricep workout. Hope that you find something useful in it. Now of course there's other things you could do in there, right? You can do the easy curl bar, skull crushers, okay? You can do that instead of the kettlebells that I did. You can do a line, what the heck's it called? Line tricep kickback, I think, with dumbbells. It's very similar actually to the rope attachment. And I kind of just prefer using the rope attachment because it's a little easier for me to walk back and forth between the cable crossover and the tricep extension machine that I have in here. It's the same thing basically though, okay? It has the exact same motion, especially that twist at the very end with the wrist away from your body. That's very important. That's a part that a lot of people forget about the rope attachment. It's the entire reason why you use the rope attachment is so that you can get that twist at the very bottom of the motion with your wrist. It's going to maximize the length of that lawn head and challenge it, and that's what it's really about. So dips, of course, dips is a staple. You should always do dips no matter what your tricep exercise routine is. Always have dips. I like to put the dips at the very tail end of the exercise because I have a weight-assisted dip station, the pull-up dip station, which I find makes it, I can just put it at the end of my workout, really stretch out my triceps as much as they can go by going deep into that dip, and just adjust it for the fat guy that I am, and just focus on the movement, giving resistance, and just squeezing out every last bit of strength that my arms got left in them. All right, guys, hope this was useful for you, and see you in the next video.